CIET NCERT presents Audiobook MathMagic Book 2 Textbook of Mathematics for Class 2. Chapter 6 Footprints from Mathematics Textbook for Class 2 titled MathMagic. Page 39. Footprints.
Bholu and the Footprints. One day, some baby animals were playing on a muddy road in a jungle.
Picture shows baby frog, tiger, elephant, duck, playing.
All of a sudden, an elephant shouted,
"Run! Run! Go to your homes! Bholu is coming to shoot with his camera!"
So all the baby animals ran away. When Bholu came with his camera, all he saw was the footprints of these animals.
Picture shows Bholu with his camera looking at the footprints of baby animals in the mud.
Question: can you match the animals with their footprints?
Page 40. Question 1. Draw the footprints of a dog in the box provided.
Question 2. Make the footprint of your friend on the floor. Is it smaller than yours?
Trace and guess. Ron is tracing a leaf. You also collect a few things like leaves, pebbles, a stick, a bangle, bindis. Trace each thing here. Empty space is provided for tracing.
Ruhi made 2 different traces of the same bowl. The picture shows a bowl kept on the floor and the same bowl kept upside down. Traces of the part touching the floor also shown in the picture.
Question: how did Ruhi keep the bowl to get 2 different traces from it?
Look for other things like Ruhi's bowl, which can give many different traces.
Page 41. Do at home. On a newspaper, trace the hands of different people in your family. Ask your friends to guess which trace is of your hand, your mother's, your father's, etc.
Read and draw. Tamanna and her mother are sitting on chairs. Tamanna is reading a storybook. Her mother is reading a newspaper. Tamanna and her mother are sitting on the opposite sides of a table. Draw the missing things in the picture.
The missing things in the picture are chairs, a storybook, a newspaper, and a table.
Footnote: children may use different perspectives to draw. For instance, some will try to show the table from the top but might show all its legs too, while some might make only 2 legs. Leave it to them to draw the shapes as they visualize them. Teachers could use different drawings to discuss about shapes and also how they look different from different sides.
Page 42. More fun with tracing. Collect some things such as a potato, a bottle cap, a matchbox cover, a sharpener, an eraser, a spoon, a bus ticket, a coin, a straw. You can also bring other things.
Trace each of these. Ask your friends to guess. This page has a lot of empty space for tracing.
Page 43. Look at the shape of each trace you have made. See if it looks like any of the shapes given here. Write the name of the thing below the shape. The shapes of circle, rectangle, square, triangle, and oval are given in the first row of the table. This table has 9 rows and 5 columns. Serial number is written in the first column.
Footnote. Help children look at the differences and similarities in the shapes which have come up after tracing. What is similar in the shapes? For instance, between a box and an eraser. These have been placed in the same column. Encourage children to name as many shapes as they can. We need to help the usage of words such as circle, square, rectangle, etc. so that these become a part of the child's vocabulary.
Page 44. Tarani's shapes. This page has a picture of various things made by Tarani using circles, triangles, rectangles and squares.
Tarani made a cat with 4 circles and 6 triangles.
Tarani made a train with 10 circles, 6 triangles, 4 rectangles and 1 square.
Tarani made a child with 9 circles, 2 triangles and 3 rectangles.
Tarani made a big and a small house with 0 circles, 2 triangles, 0 rectangles and 2 squares.
Tarani made a joker with 4 circles, 12 triangles, 0 rectangles and 6 squares.
Tarani made a bird with 3 circles, 4 triangles, 0 rectangles and 0 squares.
Tarani made a picture using different shapes. Look at Tarani's picture and tell.
Part 1. How many triangles?
Part 2. How many squares?
Part 3. How many rectangles?
Part 4. How many circles?
Page 45. This page is divided into 2 parts. Let's begin reading this page.
Now, you make your own picture using different shapes like triangle, square, rectangle and circle.
Small pictures of triangle, square, rectangle and circle are given just above a big empty rectangular space for drawing.
Make a drawing using only rectangles.
Empty rectangular space is given for drawing.
Page 46.
Dressing up Bisania. Bisania wants to dress up for a dance. Use different shapes in the box and draw jewelry on her.
The picture shows Bisania wearing ghagra choli and dupatta. There is a rectangular box at the left side of Bisania with 4 rows. Each row has jewelry made of different shapes.
Row 1 has 2 necklaces. Necklace 1 is made of triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, circle, triangle, square, rectangle and triangle. Necklace 2 is made of circle, circle, square, circle and circle.
Row 2 has 3 pair of earrings. Pair 1 is made of big yellow circle, small green circle, big yellow circle and small green circle. Pair 2 is made of green rectangle and blue triangle. Pair 3 is made of red square with blue triangle coming out of its center.
Row 3 has 2 finger rings. Ring 1 is made of blue hollow triangle with 3 small yellow circles at its base. Ring 2 is made of a big yellow circle with 6 small blue triangles encircling it.
Row 4 has pairs of earrings. Pair 1 is made of a ring surrounded by white rectangles arranged alternatively. Pair 2 is made of ring surrounded by 5 small green circles arranged alternatively.
Shapes and faces. The picture has 4 faces: a girl, a boy, a girl and a boy.
A. Draw glasses of rectangular shape on the first face.
B. Draw a moustache using 2 triangles on the second face.
C. Draw a circle-shaped mouth on third face.
D. Draw a square-shaped face in the last picture.
This chapter ends here. Happy learning!